So our standing invitation is if you smell us, free to drop in.
We have neighbors across the street who look out the window, see if we're doing anything. And if we
And
are, they'll just wander over and bring a beer. It was like during the first parts of the lockdown. And we're like, you know what? We've always wanted to have an outdoor kitchen, and now we're stuck here. And the original plan was to like do this when the kids left. The point of this whole project of having an outdoor kitchen is to have fun with the family, friends, and just make awesome stuff. And we're like, why are we waiting? And then we couldn't think of any good reasons why we would wait. And so then we didn't. Then it became like, okay, now we know what we want. How big can we make it? And how are we going to actually use it in real life so that it fits how we socialize, cook, and all these other things?
As a family of 6 who entertained a lot prior to having kids and continue that entertaining as we had kids, we're often the home that folks gather at. And so we wanted to be able to feed our family easily at all times and be able to accommodate guests and their kids, but still make it affordable so that once the kids aren't here anymore and we're just entertaining for adults, that was still possible too. And so we really looked at capacity. I mean, I think we spent a long time going, well, how many pizzas would we make at once? And what does that look like? And okay, well, how many?
Draw the diameter on the floor one time?
Yes.
So we drew the diameter on the floor, like in our garage. And then we're like, okay, we're going to take these 12-inch pizzas and like, here's the wood. Here's where the wood's going to go. Oh, we could get up to 3, 4 if we get it just right. What are the practical things that we need to do? Then what do we want to do? Is it going to fit all the things that we need it to do? And then is it going to fit all the things that we want it to do? So from there, it just kind of snowballed into the kit was really the best decision for us.
My favorite by far, the bacon in the wood-fired oven is to die for.
Ruins every other bacon.
You will never
ever
have bacon like in the wood-fired oven.